So you're working on a project and you have no idea where to start. You have no idea where to find inspiration, and you may be working on a logo, perhaps a website page, and you need some sort of an inspiration to help you get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of my top favorite websites that inspires me and that I look for when I'm getting started on a project. I find this process very, very helpful, and it's really helped me make some of my best works as of today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Like, subscribe, comment below, and if you haven't already, check out some of my other videos. Perhaps they may help you in your projects. Let's get started. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you 5 different websites that are really helpful for finding design inspirations. Some of these have helped me quite a bit. Some of them you may have heard of, or maybe you may have not have heard of. So stay tuned to the end and check out this other video that I have. I'm going to show you guys that will be very helpful for you as well for your design projects. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are a graphic design channel, talk everything about graphic design. So with that being said, let's get started. On this first website here, this is called Dribbble. Dribbble website is a great website for finding inspiration. You can look at stuff from Explore, shots, top designers, blog, and also for designers you can look at the job board, freelance projects, and much more. What I like about this website is that once you scroll down, you can take a look at a wide variety of projects. You also have by category of animation, branding, illustration, mobile, print, product design, typography, and web design. And there's a lot of really cool stuff on here, so give this a look and see if you find anything that might help you in your projects. What I love to look at is this tab right here. It's called typography. So let's take a look at this typography tab right here. I work on a lot of logos, so this is very helpful when you're looking for logo research or some kind of inspiration. Let's click on one of these logo designs here. Let's see. Let's look at this one here. This is interesting. So once you click on this image, it shows you a big zoomed in image of the graphic. It's PS, it's pretty neat. And yeah, you can also scroll down here, look at about the information about this person, a freelancer. So if you are looking for a job, definitely you can check their stuff out, and also look at how you can follow them on behance.com or Flickr. So here are some other examples of the same and different designer as well. You can check out these logos here, so you find it's also pretty helpful when looking for logo designs or anything else for this website. This next one right here is called 99designs.com. This one is pretty cool also. You can find this one has the same way of as the other one works here, where it has categories, is how it works. Find a designer if you're looking for work, and you can also scroll down, look at different inspiration here, and it has so much to look at. You can be here all day just doing a lot of research, and it has everything from logo design, packaging, business cards, flyers, books, and this is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this one right here. Some packaging design here, so you can check out their portfolio and see all of this, and you can also look at more examples of other people's work here. Let's take a look at let's scroll down here and see what else we can find. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so it just shows you like how much work is on here, and it's pretty interesting. Like, what about, see, I love stuff like, that's pretty cool. Like, I wonder if they had printed this and how they, yeah, so this is definitely a printed piece here. So let's take a look at it closer. Yeah, it's pretty neat. The designer here, illustrations plus graphic design. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's the other one. The next one here is awesome. Like, if you're someone who's a web designer, you can find this pretty helpful as well. I remember when I was in college, we had uploaded our websites, and a buddy of mine won this award. So they do have awards they give out, and this is pretty good on your resume as well. You can upload your design, you can have people voting for you. And there's people on here who are professional designers, some who are college students, some who are grad students uploading their websites. And there's just tons and tons of information on here if you're looking for a website. I like this website right here. Let's take a look. I just caught my eye real quick. Let me scroll down. Where'd it go? Visual designer based in Belgium. Let's take a look at this one. Notice the Vote Now tab. You can vote for them and give them the opportunity to get selected. So the more higher they get votes on, you can see they have a whole bunch of votes right here. Then they may get entered into the contest. And It's a pretty prestigious award to be selected on the awards website here. And this is his work. What's cool about this website, Warts, is the fact that these websites are amazing because it's all about interface design and how they design their websites and the look and the feel of it. So going back to this person's website, Glenn, you can scroll down here and notice how, I guess that's the artist here, but check this out. Notice when I like roll over the image, this is a really cool paint effect, and that's awesome. I think it's like called coding here, but so Awards has a bunch of cool websites here, and artist works, of course, their services, their work, and it just shows you how they made the website and how interactive it is. And this is just a one-page website, so pretty awesome. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. That is definitely all coding. The background has video and the 3D animation. It's just amazing. Let's look at this logo. So yeah, so this is one of my top inspiration websites here to look at, which is once again www.artsawards.com. The next two you may have heard of, I'm pretty sure, but the first three were something different. A lot of people don't really know about those, but perhaps you do. But this one is a very common one. It's called Pinterest.com. This is a great source for finding any kind of inspiration, whether it's typography, poster design, home design, print design, and so much more. You can also type in what you're interested in. So you can also just type in logo, L-O-G-O, and you'll see a whole bunch of different logo designs here. And you can also select, any kind of categories you're looking for, or type that in if you don't find anything. And so this is a great tool to use. A lot of designers use this. This is the #1 go-to for logo designs or for graphic design in general when it comes to typography or layout. You can also look at illustration. Let's take a look at this. So if you are an illustrator, definitely check this out for inspiration. Highly recommend it as well. It's pretty cool. And I hope you find this helpful. Let's just open one of these ones here. So I'll show you the image, and you can, if you want, you can increase the size of it more, and you can see other. You also follow this artist if you like, or check out similar work like this person has made, and also by other artists as well. So it's pretty cool. The last website is very common. It's called Behance, and what I like about this one is you can find by category: Illustrator, Lightroom, Photoshop, graphic design, photography, and it just goes on and on. And a lot of people who are in school upload to Behance because they look for jobs on this website on Behance. So this is a very helpful tool to not only find jobs to get noticed, but also for freelance work. So check out this website. It's a great tool to use. This is for graphic design. You can also apply for jobs on here. And it's great because a lot of people who are in the professional field are hiring through this website. And you can apply, they can check you out, so it's a win-win. Rather than sending your portfolio, a PDF, or your website, or this and that, and everything is packaged in one deal. So it's very highly competitive, but it's also a great tool for inspiration to look at. Let's check out some packaging design. This is pretty cool. Let's see what this is. Yeah, look at that. So give it a go. See if you like this website. You have the 5 websites I just told you that you may find helpful for inspiration. I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much. And take a look at the next video that's going to be showing up in a few. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Check out this video right over here or right over here if you haven't already. I hope you find those videos also as helpful. Like, subscribe, comment below. We are a graphic design channel, so look out for more videos to come. Thanks.